Hi, I'm Catherine and welcome to How to Make. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some gorgeous slime for Norman the slug with a silly shell. What you're going to need is a bowl, a wooden spoon, a tablespoon, some paint, a cup of PVA glue, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and some contact lens solution, and you're going to be using a tablespoon of that. Now take your cup of glue and pour that into the bowl like that, and then you're going to use some paint. I've chosen some nice bright green neon paint for Norman's slime, and then you're going to mix that all together. Now you're going to mix in your teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Now you need a tablespoon of contact lens solution and mix that together until it starts to form the slime. So there you have some slippy slime for Norman. Norman gets caught by the bird. And what does Norman need to do? The only thing a slug can do, make slime. Lots of slime. Now Norman is free.